Okay, Train 80%er. Get your model on it. Okay, here we have a TUD 100C 948C train. This is the one we're going to be working on. It's an 80% furnace. The blower's running, nothing else. Okay, there's your code. 2 blinks. That means failure to ignite. Okay, we're going to recycle this thing. Turn the power off and back on again. Inducer's on. Okay, gas valve came on. No fire, no glow from the hot surface igniter. Okay, the flame failure appears to be every time. Let's do a couple of tests. Okay, I've got a meter hanging on the hot surface igniter and I'm waiting for it to try again. Gas valve came on, no fire, no amp drop. Gonna do one more test. Okay, now I've set the meter up. I've disconnected the wires from the hot surface igniter. In this case, they're just wire nutted together. A lot of them have a plug, and you'll have to stick your probes in the plug. Remember now, you're dealing with 110 volts, so careful here. I've got the meter set to voltage. And I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up. As soon as the pressure switch makes, we should have hot surface igniter. Okay, you can see the meter's on, and so I have power available to the hot surface igniter, but I have no amp drop. So, real simple problem. I'm sure you can all figure it out. No problem at all. I'll give you an answer in a couple of days.